All right. Canaan Motel. Might be a two-hand thing. This one's open. All right. Oh, all right. We've got a big old fridge. Microwave. Freezer, fridge. That's good sized. Hard floor. Two good beds. A giant TV on the. That's a big TV for the room. I like it. Nice little table. Two luggage holders. Plenty of shelves. Couple of sinks. Oh, maybe this is a kitchen. That's gonna be a bathroom. Oh, that's not that. That's that. Nice can. Tower shop. Towels, towels, towels. Soaps. Don't smoke in here. Just shouldn't smoke in here anyways. An ironing board. Not bad. Not bad. What do we got for USBs? What's this? Ooh, we got this bedside table plug with a USB-C, 3 USB-As, and 3 plugs. Wow. Plugs over there, they're all taken. A bunch more plugs over there. What's that on the light? Just a switch? Yeah, just a switch. Not bad. And you get a real physical key. The guy that owns the place or runs the place, nice guy, his name is Neil. There are some general rules. None of them are very hard to follow, but there is my favorite rule. No party zone.